Nigerian gospel singer Mercy Chinwo has sparked pregnancy rumors after she was spotted with a visible baby bump in a now viral video she shared online. The gospel singer, who is married to the resident pastor of the Waterbrook Church, Pastor Blessed, had taken to her Instagram page on Wednesday night to unveil her new project, a new EP titled Elevated. Mercy released a teaser for her song Wonder, which is track 6 on the Elevated EP, and netizens could not help but point out the visible baby bump in the video. Controversial Nigerian crossdresser and social media personality Bobrisky has revealed that he no longer has male genitals. The celebrity mentioned this on a social media post while responding to a fan who expressed concern about the lady having a great day looking at Bob's manhood while doing her job. Bobrisky had posted a video of his recent spa visit, which captured a young lady viciously scrubbing his backside with some of their products. Do you think Bobrisky is a woman?